Want to take a look at stacks again today. Now yesterday, I believe we were right under this, resistance here. I think I made a video when it was about what, $2.16 or 15 cents. And I did say if we broke this line, the next, logical resistance was going to be this $2.43 cent mark. So where did it go, guys? It actually retested this resistance a couple times, and it continued to the upside. And yeah, we went up here. Okay, it exceeded it a little bit. It went to $2.45. Like I said, you can really adjust these lines, to almost any way you want, to adjust it within, in this case, a few cents. Now, if you're talking about Bitcoin, you might be talking about $100, for example. But anyways, pretty much I was right on the money. And yeah, it's, I don't want to toot my own horn, but that's basically what happened, guys. I did say if we broke this resistance, we're going to $2.43. So now, this is the hourly chart. We look like, we've already hit this resistance 3 times already. So I believe probably the next time we hit it, or maximum maybe 2 times more, we're probably going to break through this, and then the next resistance is about $2.57, because that's the next, Fibonacci zone, really, we can say. After that, we have about $2.88, So anyways, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin now. We are creating kind of a gap here, a CME gap. I did mark this with a line here because we stopped. Actually, we closed, what is it? Yeah, $62,882 Friday night. And you can see we've made a fairly significant CME gap because this is a Saturday. So, I don't like to place a lot on CME, and some influencers, they do. They do tend to get filled eventually. So, it more than likely we probably will come down to fill this gap. And that's pretty significant right now. That's about $200 down almost. And we'll see, guys. There are CME gaps that still exist. We don't have to fill them, but it's probably better if we do. So we'll see. This is the daily chart, by the way. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. You can see that, yeah, I made this little resistance line. I think I looked at it on the hourly, though. Let's take a look here. Okay, guys. Yeah, I drew this on the hourly chart, and you can see that we did kind of retest it here after breaking it. And we continued. We broke through this resistance at about 63.8, which I mentioned yesterday in several videos was very important to break. Now we broke that, when? Today, it looks like. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's, what Bitcoin looks like at the moment. We'll see if we continue from here. But I do suspect that we will come down to fill that CME gap, unfortunately. But, the next resistance is going to be about $65,000, $65,100. So we'll see when we come to that. But Monday, I do expect to probably fill the gap, if not by Tuesday or Wednesday. Usually CME gaps get filled within a week maximum. But like I said, there are some gaps that exist. So anyways, guys, everything is looking much better, both for Bitcoin and for stacks. I do believe Stacks is going to break through this, $2.43 in the near future, really near future. So as long as Bitcoin can stay healthy, though. Anyways, guys, that's what I have for you on Stacks and Bitcoin. Yeah, good luck, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.